Taurus, Taurus, Taurus. Okay. So, knock, knock, knock. September 22 to 30. Yeah. Welcome po. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Kamusta po ang mga OFW na mga kapatid natin? OFW din po ako. So, King of Pentacles. Nakabaliktad siya. Tignan ko nga yung card. Okay. Ayusin ko lang. Okay. Ayusin ko. King of Pentacles. I want to see it upright. So, kaperahan. Solid foundation. So, yan ang gusto natin. Ayaw natin na palagi na lang nakikipagtalo tayo sa, kailangan i-prove natin yung sarili natin. We don't want that. Correct? Nakakapagod na yun. Ayaw din natin ng negative toxicity energy, mga chismis, mga maling paniniwala. Yeah, hindi tayo uunlad doon. Correct? So, yeah. Magkape-kape po tayo. So, kuha po kayo ng coffee. Taurus. Tignan natin. September 22 to 30. So, natapos na naman yung another week. Nakaraos na naman po tayo. So, relax lang po tayo. Tignan natin. September 22 to 30. Taurus. Okay. 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 Kukunin ko ba siya na nakabaliktad? Okay. Naguguluhan ka. Taurus. Meron kang confusion. Hindi ka makapag-decide. Kasi parang sa palagay mo naagrabyado ka somehow. Yeah? Okay. Kunin ko yung justice as reverse. Okay. Reverse. Okay, Libra. Are you dealing with Libra? Taurus? Taurus and Libra sa isang earth sign at sa isang air sign. Okay? Meron bang incompatibility? Yeah? Okay. So, meron bang unfair treatment o parang yung mental disconnect. Yeah? Okay? That one is practical, one is more, intense sa kanyang mental. Iniwanan mo na, you want to, ayaw mo nang magsintir pa kung natapos na yon. You just want to move on. Do you want to make that decision? Okay? It's all about Taurus being earth sign. Ano yan? Very pragmatic yan eh. Alam ko yan eh. Pero pag nasaktan yan, ano yan? Ayaw na. Tapos na. Huwag mo na akong kausapin. Okay? Once na maramdaman nila na niluloko mo ako we part our separate ways. Mukhang hindi ka na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa rito. Kasi tinrabaho mo rin naman yun eh. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Taurus? Kasi tinrabaho mo rin naman yun eh. Okay? Ngayon, nakamulat na yung mata mo eh. Kumbaga sa hindi ka na mabubulag pa. Parang diskaya, buko-buko. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Taurus? Dahil sa dami mong natutunan, doon ka namulat. Yung experience mo, kumbaga sa yung mga senado, mga kongresista, 'di ba, deny, pero sa dami ng research mo, also yung past experience mo nga, if yung sa relationship, halimbawa na lang, matagal na kayo nagsasama, merong mga tipong, meron siyang paulit-ulit na inconsistency or yung mga ganun tipo, or naroon ka na discover na something, yun, ginamit mo yung yung knowledge mo na whatever na nakikita mo, nababasa, Okay? If this is related to relationship, okay? Kasi meron kang desisyonan eh. Nagdesisyon ka rito, very sharp and very clean. Ayan nga, oh. Gusto mo pumunta doon sa solid foundation mo, knowing Taurus. Okay? Wala nang illusion. Hindi ka na nag-illusion na okay, yung sitwasyon would be better. Napagod ka na, namatay na yung illusion mo, kung ano man yung dating nabubulagan ka. Okay, it works both way po. Okay, so kung maka-resonate, kung hindi wag pong pilitin. So somebody who make a decision, si Taurus, kasi maraming illusion dito na nangyayari, hindi na matanggap. As simple as that. Yung tasang natapon, pabayaan mo nang natapon yan. Hindi ko na paghihinayangan. Yeah, okay, I finally found that word. Hindi ko na paghihinayangan. Si Taurus ganyan eh. Okay? Pero malalim pa rin yan kapag nasaktan. Kapag yeah, okay. Nagkaroon ka ng opportunity to find out courage na to make that decision, kasi nagkaroon ka ng bagong wake up call, eureka. For you, this is not something worth this is not something na worth na pagpaguran. So you have the ending, your 10, and you have the ace. Yeah, so 10 and 1. October 1. Okay. Yeah, tingnan natin kung ano ba yung dinesisyonan mo rito. Very sharp ka, parang nakikita ko dito na si Taurus ay talagang ready na to sumali sa war dito. Gera. Okay? Okay, this is not something easy, Taurus, okay? Tignan natin, ano ba yung decisionan mo na parang you are so eager to you are so ready na ikampas-kampas yung sword na yan. Lash out. I just remember that word, lash out. Kumbaga sa walang makakapigil. Ayan yung moon, oh. You have the reverse and you have the upright. Merong illusion na something parang nabobola-bola ka. Okay? O merong binobola-bola. Meron kang bilog, tipong binibilog ang ulo. Meron bang ganyan? Oops, sandali. Nalaglag po yung salamin ko. Okay. So, yung moon na yun, lumitaw na yung buwan. Remember? Pagkatapos ng dilim, yung liwanag. Okay? I would like to see na lumitaw yung the sun. Yeah, oh. In fourth circle, this is about the money. This is about the money issue. Okay? Kung sa negosyo, niloloko ka. Okay? So, you all work hard for it anyway. Medyo mabagal nga lang. Yung yung progreso. Ayan na naman siya, oh. Isa sa inyo nagdadala noong, alam mo, isa connection, palagi yung nagdadala ng inspirasyon. Yung sa family dynamics, okay, di ba? Walang kayo. Pero despite that, si nanay o si tatay, maski na alam nila deep inside na mahirap, hindi nila ipapakita yan. Pero ngingiti at ngingiti. Kumbaga sa hindi, okay lang yan, okay? Pero umiiyak yan sa likod. Kasi ang daming responsibilidad. That's an illusion. It's an illusion na everything will be okay. But actually, it is not okay. Yeah. Pero maganyan, Taurus. Ayaw mo ng hindi ka nang hinayang. This is no hesitation. I can see somebody na walang hesitation. Okay? Pero maganyan, Taurus. Taurus. Yeah. Kapag meron akong ibang nasabing sign, pasensya na po at tandam. Katapos ko lang na ibang sign. Taurus ito. Taurus para sa'yo ito. Huwag kang magalit. Okay. Yan, no? Kasi ikaw ba ito palagi na lang feeling mo inaapi-api o sila yung feeling inaapi-api? Which is an illusion. Kasi wala namang silang ginagawa eh. O ikaw itong wala namang ginagawa. Okay? That's a mentality of sila. Ako. Okay, Taurus. Na ano ka doon na parang nabilog ka sa ganong sitwasyon. Okay, Taurus. Tingnan natin. Ano ba yung desisyon ni Aries na parang ready na siya. Ayaw niya ayaw niya na nag-i-illusion tayo na everything is okay. In fact, hindi naman. Okay. Yan ang ko eh. Tingnan ko to kung kasama ito. Yan, okay. Okay. Isa issue para sa'yo is sa pakiramdam mo, palaging ito yung sinachana in terms of emotional alam mo, okay, sa relationship yung parang walang pagki-care. Maliit lang. Okay, meron naman pero maliit. Parang bariyang kumain ka na ba? Oh, kumain na ako. Oh, sige. Kumain ka na, hindi pa. Oh, meron diyang kaning lamig at saka itlog na maalat. Okay? That's the Page of Cup. Intuitiveness na, okay, mahal ako nito. Okay? How you define yung pagmamahal para masabi mong you are on that solid ground na ito'y na nga yung pagmamahal o relationship na hinahanap ko. Okay na ba sa yung text message? O gusto mo talagang maramdaman yun? Yeah? Okay. Yung intensity ng Aries. Ay, sorry. Taurus. Okay. Yung intensity na yun, hindi mo nakita. Okay? So, ready ka na to move on. Nakikita mo, I think you want to go out. Kasi iniwanan mo na, hindi ka na nang hinayang data. Meron ka ng yun ang nakakapagpa-feel sa iyo na para maramdaman mo na parang you are out in the cold. Yeah? Opposite po, kasi yung dynamics nito maaring one is the one who's giving more, one is the one who's giving less. So, that's also part of the dynamics, okay? So, ano siya dito, Aries? Ano ka rito sa situation of this scenario? Pero somebody is really, really tired. Gusto mo na lang umuwi dun sa bahay. Yeah, Taurus, okay. So, ano't pa ba yung nandirito? Okay, tingnan natin kung bakit ka napagod. Maraming sitwasyon napagod ka kasi nga binibitin ka na yung parang breadcrumb. Okay. Ayan, no. Yan nga. Hindi mo maramdaman yung or ikaw yung may pagkukulang, I do not know. Okay. So that's the offer ng cups. Nagsimula sa maliit na pagmamahal hanggang sa totally na nawala. Nawala totally. Wala. May mukhang meron dito nagkaalaman of that illusion of that yung ginagawa towards you. Ayun, no? Kasi yung moon naka-reverse eh. Nawala na yung illusion. Dumating na siya. Yung pagkakatulog mo na puro problema, dinadala mo ito eh. Dinadala mo to Taurus until you realize na at the end of the day, alam mo na there's that yung liwanag pagkatapos nung dilim. And that keeps you fighting. That keeps you fighting. Yeah, okay. Meron ba ganyan? Taurus, ano ba ito? Kung sa trabaho ito ito yung dynamic sa opisina na parang nabastos ka dito. Okay, hindi po sa lahat ng ito yung situation specific po. Okay. So hindi mo siya panghihinayangan. It's not worthy of staying. That's what I mean. knowing Taurus, I do have office mate na Taurus, alam ko siya. Alam ko 'yon. Mabait na yan, nakatrabaho, pero ayaw lang nila ng to be fair. Yeah. So, kuha ako ng Taurus ng very straightforward na reading ng Moon card, Oracle. Tignan natin kung ano pa yung message sa'yo ng Moon card. I can feel this one, Taurus. Yep. So kung nag-resonate po, good luck sa'yo, Taurus. Good luck sa'yo kung anong stage ka dito ng of your saga. Okay? It's not easy, but you're moving forward to that direction of yung inspired action mo. I think that's even better. So for now, you just want to get out of that you found that opportunity. So okay, maybe you wait for the next half moon kung meron. Kailan ba yun? Okay, sabi Taurus, embracing high levels of motivation and energy will bring feelings of empowerment and satisfaction. Yeah, ito yan, no? High level of motivation. Something motivates you, something come out. And that makes you feel energized. I can see a king here, okay, who is really ready to make that decision. Lahat maliwalag na sa kanya. Walang walang emotion. No emotion. Okay? So whatever decision ito, yes, it's gonna be tough. Second, another niya, sabi nung cow, a new beginning or even a new life may be bloom. Yeah, ko sa camera. Okay? A new beginning or maybe a new life. Yeah. Okay. You have here, okay. Ano ba yung beginning? You have 10 here. Okay? You have 10. You completed that journey of suffering. I don't want to say na suffered. Anong bigat ng naramdaman mo. Okay? You have the 10 of sword. Okay? 10 of sword is something that you just ended up na walang kaemo-emosyon. Yeah? A new beginning because you're venturing out to this new journey. You're the young emperor. The world is your oyster, sabi dito. Yeah. To go to that self-made, independent reality of yours. Okay, knowing Taurus, alam niya ito. Alam mo ito. Alam mo yung pupuntahan mo. Yeah. There's no more feeling of out of place, or ayan no, nakita mo yung susi, you're gonna open that, you're gonna unlock it. Yeah, you're gonna unlock it. How? Because you have that inspiration. You have the Ace of One. Ace of One is what you are needing right now, Taurus, because you are given that that knowledge to make a decision. You're not gonna hindi ka na magiging indecisive dito. You will be very you are ready, more than ready here to go to move to that new life. Okay, whatever it is na you gonna venture out. Yeah, September 22 to 30, Taurus. So Taurus, enjoy the weekend. Salamat po.